developers, 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 developers.
Hi, my name is Sarita Ginkin, and I'm going to be interviewing some members at the Y on what they do to help native birds.
Hi, my name is Maria Vilinskaya, and I don't actually do anything directly to help native birds, but I'm against using spray for different plants, and I'm trying to buy products only spray-free, which helps birds to keep their food alive.
What I do to help native birds? I don't let my dog eat them when she tries to chase them around.
My name is Saskia. I work at the front desk, and right now I don't think I do a whole lot to help native birds.
My name's Andrea Woods. We put out bird feed year-round for the birds. We build black-capped chickadee birdhouses so they have places to go. That's pretty much all we do.
Hi, I'm Morgan, and I don't really do anything specific to do help native birds.
I am always on the lookout for native birds and their welfare. If I find a 4-pack of something and it's connected, like a pack of Coke cans or something, to snip up those plastic rims so that the birds don't have their necks stuck in it. They get stuck and they're all like, can't talk because it's around their necks.
Do you think you could do more to help native birds?
I'm not sure. Depends what would be coming my way.
I think maybe I could put out like a bird feeder, or maybe just learn more about them and educate myself, and maybe like go to an aviary or something.
Well, I could donate to bird sanctuaries and just like help out little birds on the street and stuff like that. But that's just small stuff. I could probably do a lot more.
A few ways to help native birds is by putting up bird feeders, bird baths, and bird houses. Also, while you're camping or hiking, try not to leave anything like such as trash or food, and always stay on the trail.
Some ways to save native birds around you is to not use pesticides for bugs. Try keeping them away or just live with it. Don't cut trees. Preserve the habitats. Most importantly, don't pollute the area